Hello, my name is Mumtaz Mahfud. I am one of the student of management business in Universitas Gadjah Mada, and right now I am studying in Centro Lenguas de Modernas or the Faculty of Center Language and Culture in University of Granada, Spain. And right now, as you can see, I am in Albaicin, one of the famous places in Granada. At that time, I first know this program, this ISMA program, from one of my lecturer, one of my professor, when he told me that the governor had a new program and it was an exchange program. I was quite excited to join this program because I think that not many people can have the opportunity to study abroad and experience culture and different lives. And when I first know it, I immediately Googled the information, and as uh, as we know, there are many requirements that have to be accomplished to join this program. So, uh, one of the difficulties that maybe I experienced during this program, during this pre-program, is the motivation letter, because I think that motivation letter is quite difficult because we have to be more emotional, and it's quite different from the TOEFL or other English tests, or maybe from the CV. And I think that's one of the most difficult part, because the other part is, well, we can do English test, and then we prepare the passport, and then we get recommendation letter and so on. So when I first arrived, there was not many culture shock that I experienced. I don't know why, but maybe because in my childhood I've lived in a Europe country. So when I first arrived in Spain, I didn't get so many culture shock. But maybe a few culture shock that I experienced was a culture called siesta. So siesta is like a culture when the people of Spain rest from around 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and all the shops are closed. So at that time, we couldn't really go to the shop to buy anything. And then maybe the other culture shock that I experienced in Spain is that when we ask people to take a picture, they don't count 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1 or say cheese. And I think it's a bit unique culture, because from where we come from Indonesia, when we take a picture, we always count so that the people in the picture can be ready. And maybe the other culture that I was quite shocked is the time for breakfast. So it is common in Spain that people eat breakfast very little, or maybe they don't eat at all, and then when they eat lunch, they eat quite more compared to other countries, and they also do it for dinner. So when I started to study in Spain, in Granada, there was quite a difference compared to my home university in Universitas Gadjah Mada. And maybe one of them is that in here is that um we don't really have to like show our respect to the professor. So maybe, for example, we can just call them by their name, and we can be like friends, where I think it's not common to do that in Indonesia. And maybe another thing that I'm quite surprised but also happy is that the classes in here are, I think, quite um, exciting, and maybe more faster than in Indonesia. So like when we do classes, we don't really feel like we're studying, but it's like we're really learning something new, and then we're like playing games and so on. So I think that's the difference between the class in here and Indonesia. And another thing is that um, when we do like exam, we also have midterm exam and final exam, and I think it's quite the same in Indonesia. But the thing is that the grades and then the how we do the exam is quite different. So I think it's a unique experience. And the last thing is that if I can turn back time and I can visit my old self. I can return to the past. Maybe I would say to my old self uh, in the start of the program that you should learn harder, man. You should study more because I think that if I study more, I can get better grades and maybe I can improve my scores. So when I talk about the aftermath of the program or the finish of the program, I would say that I have experienced a lot of memorable memories in Granada, in Spain, and in general because in this program I can be out of my comfort zone. I can meet new people who may not meet me or I met them if I hadn't joined this program, and then experience on how to survive in other countries when when you are far from home, when you don't have someone that you know. We have to be able to adapt, and then with different cultures, different type of people, and maybe different classes. I experienced a lot of things, and I think that's the reason why it was so memorable. So when I experience a problem, I choose not to give up. I choose to find the solution, and that will be the memorable experience that I've encountered in here. And another thing is that maybe if I go back to Indonesia, and I hope I can go back to Indonesia and I can share my knowledge, I can share my experience with the people. I would definitely encourage them to do exchange program, to do to live abroad, to do something different, to come out of their comfort zone, and I will definitely recommend them to join the ISMA program. I am officially ISMA biased because it is a life changing experience. I can I can get out of my comfort zone. I can experience new things and be bold to go abroad. Thank you.